All right, we're here in Precalculus on lesson 3-5, the easiest lesson of our entire lives. I'm definitely thinking for next year of combining this lesson with another lesson because it's so short. Today is our beautiful December 3rd, 12-3. We are in December now. That means that finals are on the horizon and Christmas break is on the distant horizon. All right, so these are pretty straightforward. As long as you remember your vector operations from all of your previous lessons, then these are, yeah, they're that straightforward. So 2u plus 3w, how do I do that? Well, first I need to multiply 2 times u, first I need to multiply 3 times w, and then I add them. So here's how you show your work. You don't have to show your work on the quiz or online and stuff like that, but it's always nice to see if you went wrong. So 2 times u is 2 times 2 comma 3. I need to add that with 3 times, I'm going to do it in yellow, 3 times negative 4 comma 1. Well, 2 times 2 times 3, that's going to be 4 comma 6. I'm going to add that with negative 12 comma 3. And that means my x component for negative 12 makes a what? Negative 8. And then Daisy, the y components make a... So we just added 4 and negative 12 to get negative 8. The y components? 9. There's our answer, negative 8, 9.
Are we ever going to graph these?
Yes. And that's where it starts getting hard. We want to make sure that we have a solid foundation on just doing operations with vectors in their component form. Eventually component form goes out the window, and yeah, that's where it gets hard. All right. So far so good on example 1. You two tell me how to do example 2, and then you'll do example 3 on your own, and we'll be done with the notes. How do I do example 2?
Just do the same thing as example 1.
Okay, so tell me what to write.
So it's 1 over 3 times negative 3 and 6.
Okay, Daisy, you do the next part.
And then it's subtracting 1/2 times 8 negative 2.
All right, Rochelle.
It will be negative 1 and 2 minus 4 and 5, negative 5.
So are you going like this? Are you adding the negative 4 comma 5 like that? Or are you subtracting these?
Subtracting.
So
Because it's 1 over 3 u minus 1 over 2 3.
so tell me exactly what to write then.
Yeah, minus.
Minus?
Parentheses. 4 and negative 5.
4 and negative 5.
Parentheses.
Got it. Okay.
That's what I said.
Sorry. I misinterpreted what you said.
Oh, okay.
All right, Daisy, you're doing the final part.
Me?
Yep.
Why?
Because Rochelle just did this whole last line.
So it's 3. Wait, what am I doing?
Yep, so for the x components, you're getting 3.
Oh, yeah. And then it is negative 3?
3 and negative 3. There's errors up there, see if you can find them.
Wait a minute. Wait, I did this wrong.
So it's not 3
Oh,
and
because
negative 3.
you're subtracting as well, right?
Yeah, we're subtracting
okay,
this time.
So, alright. Okay, fine. So then, wait, I have my negatives wrong right now. So, it's 4 minus negative 1, right? So it's 5. No, wait, negative 5. I am confused right now.
That's okay, take your time.
No, Mr. Snell, this is really making me mad right now. I probably failed the SAT.
So you have a negative 1, right?
Right.
And you're going to subtract 4.
Oh, it's negative 3.
It's negative what?
Negative 3.
Like that?
Yeah.
Not quite. Here, whenever you have a subtraction sign right here, this is what you can do. You can go plus, minus. So you're really adding the negatives. Careful. Negative 5, yeah. Negative 5, and what's the second one?
7.
It is 7. There it is. Thank you. All right, and then example 3, you're doing on your own. I'm going to do it silently up on the board for you to check your work. After you finish example 3 and check your work, you may begin on the summary. And then once you finish the summary, you may begin on Khan Academy. All right, so you're only looking up at the board if you need a hint or if you want to check your work. I should have done all that in a different color. I think I can still change all of you guys to yellow. Why did I not change the color again?